for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, USB connection, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, alarm, tire pressure monitoring system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.